How many of you here dream of having the discipline to exercise more? Or how many of you here would love to have that body of your dreams, but want to get it in as little time as possible? What you're about to learn in Mindvalley this month is a concept called 10x Fitness. Look, I'm in my mid-40s and I am busy as heck. I'm a CEO, I'm a dad, I travel around the world, I speak, I run a massive company, I have 3 books I'm writing. I want to stay fit, but I can give no more than maybe an hour a week to exercise. I stay fit working out twice a week for 15 minutes each using the scientific principles of 10x. And it allows me to have a body in my 40s that is better than what I had in my mid-20s. What makes 10x so effective? How are people getting incredible results in 30 minutes of workout a week? Well, it's 10 things. And I want to share them with you here so you can decide if you want to join our 10x challenge coming up on Mindvalley. The first is a concept called the Big Six. So there's an incredible book called Body by Science by Dr. Doug McGuff. And he said that there are 5 unique exercises that if you focus on these 5, you get the maximum overall benefit. Now we added a 6th exercise that improves the butt. Why the butt? Well, it turns out that both males and females, the butt is the most attractive part of the opposite sex. So why not tone your body, but also up your sexiness level a bit? So the first concept of 10x that makes it so effective, it's this focus on these big 6 exercises. Now the second thing is where it gets puzzling for people. Each of these exercises is done in 1 minute. That is 1 set. Now you do 12 repetitions in that 1 set, but it's just 1 set. So many people when they go to the gym, they do multiple sets. Turns out that's a legacy from the 1940s, from post-World War II, and it doesn't actually apply. 1 set is all it takes to stimulate muscle growth. Now, this is where it's about to get stranger and unconventional because you're only doing 1 set and you're doing it for a minute. The entire time you spend with your body under tension is roughly 6 minutes. Now, of course, there's then time you spend moving from exercise to exercise. There is no rest. And this is the third concept of 10x. It's called circuit training. You move rapidly from exercise to exercise, trying to minimize your rest time. If you can go straight from the chest press to the pull in 20 seconds, that's fantastic. Doing it in a circuit fashion has been scientifically proven to boost endurance by 30%. This is significant, guys. This is often what people get from running or aerobics, but they're doing it in minimum time. And that's the 4th point. 10x workouts are frequently under 15 minutes. This is the timing for my last workout. I had a business meeting that ended early, popped down to the gym near my office, popped back up before the next business meeting. Do you know that in the middle of the pandemic, over 40% of people canceled their gym membership and decided never to go back to the gym? The reason is because we often can't find time to work out. This is because we've been trained and brainwashed to think workouts are an hour long. But if your workout can be done in after 15 minutes, you have a time to work out. This brings us to principle number 5. It's a concept called adaptive response training that tricks your biology to believe you're under threat. Next, you're doing the workout in a super slow motion, not repeated reps. It's roughly 5 seconds a rep. This also keeps it safe. This is why 10x is so suitable for people over 70 and even for young children. My 7-year-old does 10x. The 7th reason 10x is so superior to regular exercise is because it's holistic. Our teachers of 10x are specialists in mind, spirit, in concepts like intermittent fasting, in supplementation. We take a total body approach, including bringing in spirit and the mind, something that many other workout programs do not use. Imagery therapy, mind over body, all have been proven to lead to increased athletic performance and muscle growth. But we go 1 step further. We bring in the mental game and identity theory. When you do 10x Fitness, we gamify the experience so you're playing a game with yourself. The rules of the game are in the program, but this ensures that you are excited about your workout. You are never bored. You don't wake up and dread going to the gym. We do this using a behavioral change model called identity shifts. Number 9, we tell you what to avoid. There are many conventional exercises out there that are promoted through fancy marketing or to sell products like running shoes that actually do not serve you. They cause you to lose muscle, to reduce your metabolic rate, and waste your time. it's important to know what not to do, what is actually damaging your body. And the final reason 10X is so superior is that you don't need a gym. All you need is around $20 worth of exercise bands, and you can even do this at home. We adapted the entire program. We delayed the launch of this program in the middle of the pandemic to incorporate home workouts, which are as effective. So if you find these ideas interesting, and if you'd like an incredible body, a body of your dreams, like many of these case studies, in less than 30 minutes a week, you need to take part in the 10X Challenge by Lorenzo, Delano, and Ronan, the creators of 10X. This 90-day challenge is where we are taking thousands of people through a 90-day total transformation of their exercise routine and their body. Join us for a free masterclass on 10X. We're going to teach you the approach so that you can participate in the 90-day 10X Challenge. The link to the free masterclass is in the caption or in my bio.